All right, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, welcome back. Hey, in this video, I put wheel bearings here in the Grizzly last year. The original ones were shot. They were 7 years old. So I bought them off Amazon. I think they were like 26 bucks for two. So it was pretty cheap. I'm like, all right, they had decent reviews. I figured I'd give it a shot. They lasted 1 year. Well, this one has already went bad in 1 year. The others, I don't notice they're bad, but this left front in 1 year is already loose and noisy. So this is going to be kind of a buyer beware. I'll show you what I bought. And I'll show you what they're doing already after 1 year. Alright guys, get you over here so you can hear this. It should be about right there. Alright, listen. Already noisy, 1 year. Okay. See that as well? They're already loose. This one is anyway. This is the only one that has went bad out of the four I put in. Move you guys back here. The other ones seem to be okay, but you know they're gonna go bad pretty quick if this one went out. And I don't feel any play in the other wheel bearings, so I'm gonna replace this one, and I'll show you what I bought. And I did not go back with Amazon, obviously. And what I went with here, I bought these off Rocky Mountain MC parts. It's online. Let's see, what is it? Pivot Works. I've used, see, there's two in a package. These were like 55 bucks, I believe, for the pair. Let me get them out here to show you. So we'll give these a shot. I've had good luck with Pivot Works parts before, ball joints, other bearings I've put on my sport quads. I think the rear wheel bearings, they would go out pretty frequent. And I've had pretty good luck with this brand of stuff. And these were 55 bucks for two. So I'm going to put that on there. I'll get this apart and we'll see what went wrong with that wheel bearing. But this is not going to be a how-to video. Just a buyer beware. Buying cheap Amazon parts is not going to work out. Alright guys, I got this out. Got the wheel bearing pressed out. And look at here. Kind of investigate it and see why it failed. It's got water in it. There's water. Got past the seals. Now we ride in, you know, we go riding, we're in the creeks a lot. First thing we do is we head to the first creek we can find and cross it. Because it's fun, you know, that's what we do.
Do you cross to the right or just to the left?
Up higher. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Everybody does that. I don't know anybody who rides quads that don't go down to the water and cross creeks. So you can see water got in there and destroyed the bearing. So the seals failed. Once water gets in your bearing, well, you're done. So there you go. Cheap seals, water got past, and boom, ruined the bearing. So here's a new bearing. And another thing I'm going to do a little different is this is a wheel bearing packer, packs it with grease. Now I packed this new bearing last year until grease pushed past the seals. This new bearing, I'm going to push some grease in there, but not enough where it pushes past the seals. I'm going to put maybe 3 or 4 pumps with the grease gun, just to put some extra grease in there, but not so much that it pushed past the seals. Okay, I said that twice now, didn't I? So I'm going to set the camera up and show you guys. So there's one. So we're sitting there watching it. 2. 3. Okay, I put 4 pumps with the grease gun. And no grease is coming out of the seals of this new bearing. So we'll stop right there, and I'm going to install that. So remember last year we put so much in there it pushed past the seals. This one we won't. We'll just put that much grease in there and put it on. Alright. Okay, something I just noticed on this package. I can barely read that. Lifetime replacement? Huh. Yeah, I don't know if they're that good, but anyhow. Alright, I'll get that one put in. Alright guys, hey, there you go folks. Hey, don't waste your money on Amazon wheel bearings unless you want to replace them once a year. So, hey, we got some we got a ride trip coming up here in a few weeks, so we'll get some ride videos put out for y'all. We appreciate y'all sticking around, and hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.